Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So today we are going to start a new topic from class 10th, Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay friends, as you all know that in a triangle we have in a triangle three sides are there and three angles are there, and right triangle, okay, right, in a right triangle one angle is 90-degree. This is a right triangle. Okay, so trigonometry is all about a right triangle. Okay, trigonometry is study between the relation between the sides and the angles of a right angle triangle. Okay, so let us take a triangle ABC. Okay, here one angle is 90-degree. So it is a right triangle. So here we have three sides. So here in this triangle, which is the longest side? The side opposite to 90-degree is called the longest side. It means AC is the longest side. AC is the longest side. AC. So it is called hypotenuse. It is called hypotenuse. It is called hypotenuse. Okay, it is called hypotenuse. And other two sides are legs of a right triangle. Other two angles, one angle is 90-degree, other two angles are acute angles. Suppose angle C is that theta degree. Angle C is theta degree. For theta, just opposite side AB is called perpendicular. It is called, for theta it is called perpendicular. For theta it is called perpendicular. And for theta, this side, for theta, this side is called base. This side is called base. Okay, so in short we can write perpendicular, for perpendicular P, in short we can write for base only B. Okay, so for angle theta, side opposite to angle theta is called perpendicular and adjacent side to theta is called base. Okay, so this is all about right triangle and its parts. Now here I will try to make combinations. I will try to make the ratios of the sides of a triangle. See, one combination is AB by AC. Okay, see, another combination is AB BC by AC. Okay, another combination is AB by BC. Okay, three more combinations are there, friends. See, AB by AC is a combination. Then we can write AC by AB, AC by AB, just reciprocal of this. Now BC by AC we can write AC by BC. Now AB by BC, the reciprocal of AB by BC is BC by AB. Clear? Now AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC for theta. Now you see for theta. This is theta. See, this is theta. So for theta, what is AB? Perpendicular. P, what is AC? Hypotenuse. Okay. Now for theta, what is BC? Base. What is AC? Hypotenuse. For theta, what is AB? Perpendicular. What is BC? Base. Okay. So P by H, B by H, P by P. These are the reciprocals. So we can write H by P, H by P. Here we can write H by B. Here we can write B by P. So now this ratio is called P by H. For any angle theta perpendicular by hypotenuse is called sin theta, and base by hypotenuse is called cos theta, and perpendicular base is called tan theta. Now hypotenuse by perpendicular is called just reciprocal of this. So Here this is called cosec theta. H by B is called sec theta and B by P is called cot theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Okay, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, one more thing here, in this triangle, if I will change theta, then these ratios, these combinations also will be changed. Okay, suppose I will take theta here in this triangle. If I will take theta here, this is already 90 degree. If I will take A is theta. For theta, this will be opposite side. This will be perpendicular. For angle theta, this will be perpendicular. This will be perpendicular. And for angle theta, this will be base. This will be base. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. So here, sin theta. Sin theta. What is the reciprocal of sin theta? Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. And what is the reciprocal of cos theta? Sec theta. What is the reciprocal of tan theta? Cot theta. These are the reciprocals. These are the reciprocals. These are the reciprocals. Okay. Now, tan theta can be written as tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, this is also a very important relation. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, so you have to remember all these. So friends, now we will solve some problems to understand this concept very clearly. Okay, so let's move to first question. So here we have question number 1. Let us read. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. For this we need to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. One angle is 90 degree. But here the question is, where should we mark this angle A? This angle A. We should mark this angle A either here or here, but not at 90 degree. Okay. So because here A is an acute angle. Okay. So here it is angle A. Now remaining two angles, it's up to you where you want to mark. I will mark B here, C here, but A should not be at 90. Okay, so this is a triangle ABC, a right angle at B. Now we have sin A. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, we have sin A is equal to 3 by 4. First we will decide what is the perpendicular and base for A. It is always a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, this side is hypotenuse, and side opposite to just angle A is called perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Okay, and side adjacent side is this. AB is adjacent side. So it is called base. It is called base. For angle A, BC is perpendicular and AB is base. So here for sin A, what is the formula for sin A? P by H. It means perpendicular by hypotenuse. For angle A, what is the perpendicular? BC. For angle A, what is the hypotenuse? AC. Okay. So from this we can write BC is equal to 3x. We have to multiply with a variable. Okay, because ratio is given. Side length is not given. BC is 3x and AC is 4x. Then we should find, now we have to find AB is how much? AB is how much. Okay, for this we will use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse? AC square. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So what is AC here? See, BC is equal to 3x. BC is equal to 3x and AC is equal to 4x. Okay. So AC is equal to 4x. 4x square is equal to BC is 3x. 3x square plus AB is AB, we don't know, AB square. Okay, 16 square, 16x square, 3 square is 9 and 9x square plus AB square. Okay, now next step is 16x square, transposing 9x square to left side. Now AB square. Okay, so 16x square minus 9x square is 7x square is equal to AB square. Okay, now 7x square. Okay, under root. Now root over 7x square is equal to AB. We want to find AB length. So x we can bring out x, and here root 7 AB. What is the length of AB? AB is root 7x or x root 7. Okay, here what is the length? What is the length of AB? Root 7x. Okay, now we have to find trigonometric ratio. Now we have to calculate cos A and tan A. So now we have to find cos A. For what is cos A? Base by hypotenuse. What is cos A? Base by hypotenuse. B by H. So what is base here? What is base here? AB. What is hypotenuse here? AC. So what is AB here? Root 7x. And what is hypotenuse here? 4x. So x cancel. So answer is root 7 by 4. Now calculate tan A. Tan A. What is the formula for tan? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular here? BC. What is base here? AB. What is base here? AB. So BC, value of BC is 3x and value of AB is root 7x. So you can cancel x. So 3 by root 7. So this is the value of tan A. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. This is question number 2. Okay. Here sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So here we need to draw a right triangle. We need to draw a right triangle. Okay. Now again same thing. Where should we mark this theta? Okay. We can mark this theta either here or here. Okay. So I will mark theta here. Here this is theta. So I can name it ABC. Okay. A, B, C. ABC is a triangle where angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Now again here sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 is given. But what is the formula for sec theta? For cos theta, what is the formula? Base by hypotenuse. For sec theta, this is the reciprocal. So for cos theta, see, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So for sec theta, hypotenuse by base. So here you should decide what is the perpendicular. Here this is the perpendicular and this is base. This is base. So perpendicular is AB. Sorry, hypotenuse never change. Hypotenuse never change. Here hypotenuse is AC and base is BC. It implies AC is equal to 13x and BC is equal to 12x. So now we need to find AC, BC is there. AB is how much? So by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to side square plus side square. So what is h? What is h here? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we know already. Hypotenuse is AC. It means 13x whole square is equal to side square plus side square. It means AC square, BC square, 12 square, 12x whole square plus another side is AB square. Okay, we need to find AB. So 13 square is 169, 169 square is equal to 144x square, clear, plus AB square. Now transpose 144 to left side. 169x square minus 144x square is equal to AB square. Okay, now 169 minus 144 is 25x square, okay, is equal to AB square. Now 25x square, okay, we can write it as 5x whole square, we can write it as 5x whole square, and it is AB square. Both sides square cancel. 5x is equal to AB. What is the value of AB? 5x. It means it is AC is 13x, which is the longest side. BC is 12x. Next AB is 5x. Okay. Now we need to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. All other means except sec theta, all other. Sine, cos, tan. Okay. Next cosec and cot. Okay. I will calculate only two. Remaining you have to calculate. So let us calculate sine theta. Let us calculate sine theta. For sine theta, what is the formula? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here, what is the perpendicular? AB by AC. So here, what is AB? 5x. What is AC? 13x. So x cancel. Answer is 5 by 13. Answer is 5 by 13. Now, here sin theta. Now I will calculate cos theta. Cos theta. So cos theta is equal to reciprocal of sec theta. Okay, cos theta is equal to B by H. What is base here? BC by AC. Here BC is 12x and AC is 13x. So x cancel, 12 by 13. So I hope you have understood how to calculate the trigonometric ratios. I have calculated here sin theta and cos theta. Remaining you have to calculate. Okay, you have to calculate remaining trigonometric ratios. It means tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta, and comment me in the comment section below. Okay, I will wait for your messages. I hope all of you have understood today's concept very well, but still you have some doubts regarding this concept. You can comment me below the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and this type of videos I will bring to you daily to make the maths concept simpler. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.